Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today we are going to make a super cute 3D elephant that you've probably been seeing everywhere. Cricut had a event where they announced the Cricut Venture, and there they had a gigantic version of this 3D elephant. Here you'll see a bunch of different versions. I'm going to use the version that Cricut has published with Cricut Access, and I'm going to make this on my Cricut Venture. So the first thing I'm going to do is select the project, search 3D elephant, and add it to my canvas, and then I'm going to hide the card holder and the envelope because I'm not giving it to anybody. This is for myself, so I don't need those things. I'm just checking out all of the settings right now. But then I'm going to go and get rid of the blue and the white layer. I could just leave them and not cut them as well. That's always an option. But in this case, I'm going to keep those and then just hide using the eyeball, I guess, which hides the options over on the right hand side of the screen. You just click this right here. I just changed the color, so I don't want to do that. Let me undo that. And then we just want to hide the white layer. And I'm in this wrong option. I shouldn't be under color sync. I should be under layers. So that's my problem. So I'm going to go back under layers, get back where I need to be so I can hide the blue and, what color is that? Blue, green, and the yellow or white layers, just so it doesn't even show up. And then we're just going to make the gray. I'm not going to make it gray. I don't have any gray Cricut cardstock in the size that I want for the Venture, but I do have purple, so I'm going to go ahead and make a purple elephant. It's just going to sit on top of my TV anyways, so super excited to make this. So when I click make it here, I'm going to see that it is only going to take one piece of that cardstock, which makes me very excited because I don't have to change it. It is going to score, then it is going to draw, and then it's going to cut. So there's a lot to this. So I will definitely be speeding up certain sections for you so you don't have to sit around for the many hours it took not only to cut this, well, the cutting was super fast, but not only to do all the creation of this, but also when I was putting it together, it took me forever. Definitely follow the directions that come with that image, and you won't have any problems, but it just takes a little bit of time. I'm going to select medium cardstock because that's what I have, and then the Cricut Venture is actually going to tell me everything that I need to know. So first thing that I need to know is to load the stylus and the blade. Coming up next is the black pen. The scoring and the drawing does take a little bit of time, but the cut is super fast. And I love that it tells you exactly what position everything needs to be in, so make sure you pay attention to that as you're loading your material as well. So I am loving my Cricut Venture. This is the first project that I've made. Actually, this is the first 3D project that I've made at all, to be honest, and I really enjoyed how easy they made it. The design itself has all of the instructions that you need, so make sure you read that. Pay attention to that. But the Cricut did all of the scoring and then all of the drawing, like the numbers, so you know which all numbers go together in a 3D creation, so you know which ones to glue it to. I tried a couple different kinds of glues, and I can tell you that for me, what I had on hand, the best thing that I used was the glue stick. And that was because it dries a little bit faster than some of the other, like the white glues and stuff. They were just taking way too long to dry, so I just couldn't hold it in the right position for long enough, basically. You will see me struggle with that a little bit here as we go on. I wouldn't suggest super glue because sometimes super glue adds like a dimension to it, and that might not look very good either. And also that dries super fast or cools super fast, so then it hardens when it cools. Anyways, use what you have on stock on hand, use what you can as you do this, but definitely try this creation. I love my little purple elephant. Here it's drawing with a black pen. It's just the normal black pen that you can use on the Venture. The Venture is just the normal black pen that you can use with the Maker and Explorer series as well. So same standard black pen. Got this one in a mystery box, so I happen to have it on hand. So I'm gonna let you sit back, relax, and watch me struggle a little bit with this creation. Like I said, my very first 3D creation. I'm super excited. It now sits above my television and I absolutely love it. So sit back, relax, enjoy the music. Let me know what you think of this project in the comment box below. Also let me know what you think of the Venture in general. There is a link below to purchase it if you're thinking about purchasing it. I know it's expensive, but some people might still be interested. It is an affiliate link, but it's at no cost to you, so it doesn't add cost for anything, and I do get a tiny commission out of it. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.